Okay. Wait, what the? Okay. So, TNT Run 2. Yeah. Okay. I decided to do another one because last time I did die. So, yeah. And I died again. So, you know, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Dang. I'm just dying. This time I died pretty quickly. Well, last time I had the potion, but this time I died pretty quickly. Without the potion. Try it again. I just died. The helicopter didn't blow up at all. I died though, inside the helicopter. So I deleted the video. It's weird. Yeah. Special request for if Zauber watches this video. Will you go on one of my videos with me? Okay. I do not care. Either way. Ooh, food. Potato. Potato. Yeah, that was it. I'm sorry I didn't do better on this one. Next time I should press F5 maybe. I will be getting another skin. 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 I'm getting another skin, zombies. You hear that? You hear that, spiders? Getting another skin. Get stuck. Ah! Everything's after me. Why is everything after me? But that's about it for today. And, yeah. Bye-bye.